When I was younger, just about everybody had that classic cast iron hibachi grill on their back porch. It had adjustable heights for the grill surface and was a great size when you really didn't want to fire up that big barbecue. It also used those charcoal briquettes, which took about half an hour to light up, and they smoked like crazy. Hi, I'm Daniel Green, and today in the Gourmia kitchen we're going to explore the 21st century version of that great little grill. The Gourmia hibachi table. This versatile, digitally controlled electric grill sends the old hibachi back to the Stone Ages. It's smoke-free, compact, and just about cooks anything, from seafood, steaks, chicken, veggies, pancakes, eggs, and so much more. One of the little secrets in this incredible grill is the oil drip tray. Instead of dripping onto hot coals, the fats and juices drip into the removable oil pan, so there's virtually no smoke and you're not eating all that extra grease. I set the variable temperature control on the digital control pad and let the grill preheat. For this occasion, 437 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. That's it. Notice the non-stick grill has two areas. We'll use the slotted side for a few lean burgers and some healthy grilled vegetables. In the flat griddle area, I'll throw in a few marinated chicken wings, always favourites in my home. After the grill surface cools, just pull out the electronics. The oil drip pan slides out, and then remove the grill tray for super easy cleaning in your kitchen sink. Rain or shine, summer or winter, you can have that great grilled flavour anytime you want, without the smoke, thanks to the Gourmia hibachi table.